sharing with you our Mount Apo experience, day 1. So this is a 3-day hiking experience, Kapatagan Traverse, Santa Cruz. We started traveling at 1 a.m. from Jansan, and then we went to Davao to pick up some of our co-hikers, and we arrived in Kapatagan at 6:30 a.m. We had a breakfast at Kapatagan, and we're so happy to have this mainit na sabaw because we need energy for the hike. And after a quick breakfast, we traveled to the jump-off area for the briefing and orientation. And this is the view from the jump-off area. You can see the boulders from here, and it's so beautiful. The weather is just perfect. And these are my friends preparing their things because we're about to start hiking. We had to hike a few minutes to the orientation area since the van can't move on because the road is under construction. So this is Kuya Arman of Apo ni Arman Travel and Tours. So he is our guide together with his team and the Soxlander team. So he gave us short briefing and orientation about the hike and what are the things to do and not to do. And of course, the most important thing, nagdasal muna kami bago umalis. And finally, this is the start of our major hike. We started at 8:55 a.m. When you're in Kapatagan, of course, you're gonna see vegetable fields everywhere. Some of the hikers use umbrellas since it was really a hot day. After an hour, we finally arrived at the forest trail. Finally, there are trees to cover us up from the heat of the sun. The beginning of Maputek na daan, and we're here for it. Shocked about this because we're already at the forest trail, and in the middle of the trail, there is a vegetable farm. Supposedly, mga puno ng kahoy yung makikita mo dito, pero may gulayan pa rin. So I asked the guide about this. He said na ongoing na yung reforestation program at pagbabawalan na talagang magtanim ng gulay dito. And that's good kasi dapat mga puno yung nandito, hindi gulay. So this is our first pahinga at Camp Asukarap at 10:06 a.m. We stayed here for a few minutes to rest. After resting, nagpatuloy na kami sa aming paglalakbay. After an hour of hiking, we arrived at the mossy forest in Kapatagan Trail. And this is the sound here. We had our lunch here at the junction, and it's so dreamy because of the fog and the trees. You know, it's just perfect. Tanggal talaga yung pagod mo. After our lunch, nagpahinga lang saglit at arangkada ulit. And this is the trail here. May paakyat-akyat na tayo sa mga bato. At nagkakasubukan na tayo ng endurance at oxygen. Since it is a forest trail, it's so foggy and walang hangin, kaya nakakaubos talaga ng oxygen. Pero ginusto namin to, so go. Walang magrereklamo. Ay wait, magrereklamo pala, pero gagawin pa rin. So there are parts of the trail na mahirap talaga at delikado. May caution nga dyan kasi bangin na sa gilid. So you have to be very careful of your steps. I really like the vibe here. Parang nasa Jumanji lang. Or Temple Run. Parang ganon. If you're planning to hike Mount Apo, dapat prepared ka talaga. Dahil magkakasubukan talaga kayo ng endurance mo. There are some hikers na pumunta ng Mount Apo na hindi nag-ensayo at kinaya nila. Pero iba pa rin talaga pag prepared ka. Kasi nga, diba, prevention is better than cure. Hirap na magka-sprain sa hike, so better be prepared na lang. So we arrived at the Goody Goody water source at 2 p.m. And we arrived at the camp mismo at 2:12 p.m. Pagdating ay nagkape agad kami at sinet up namin yung aming camp, and these are our tents under the mossy trees. After that, naligo kami at sobrang lamig ng tubig, which is good para hindi sumakit yung katawan namin. This is the end of our day 1 dito sa Mount Apo. Dito na kami natulog dahil kinaumagahan ay hike na papuntang summit. Watch out for part 2. Bye!